Hey everyone, for sequence a sub n given here, we're going to find the minimum value of n such that a sub n equals 3 divided by 25. So what I'm going to do is rewrite some of this as a different sequence. So I'm going to write this as 1 for this first piece here, and then that would be, I'm going to call this b sub 1 since I'm doing a new sequence. The next one would be looking at the pattern here, 3 divided by 3, comma 2 divided by 3, comma 1 divided by 3. And that would be b sub 2. All right, and then the next part would be 5, so 5 divided by 5, comma 4 divided by 5, comma 3 divided by 5, comma 2 divided by 5, comma 1 divided by 5. All right, now we want to go all the way to 25 in the denominator. So basically I'm going to do dot 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 and write another sequence, the one before. So I'm going to do 23 here. So we're going to have 23 divided by 23, comma 22 divided by 23, comma dot dot dot, and go all the way down to 1 divided by 23. And then the last part would do comma and do one more, and that would be 20. Let's scoot this out a little bit. This would be 25 divided by 25, comma 24 divided by 25, comma dot dot dot, comma 1 divided by 25. All right, and then the sequence goes on and on. What we want is this one right in here somewhere, this 3 divided by 25. So this is what we're looking for, something in there, dot, dot. All right, so let's look at our pattern. Our b sub n pattern is, if I look at the first term, that one's going to be 2n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. And these are all pretty much odd numbers here, except for the numerator. All right, so that's the first one. And then for this one, this is going to be 2n minus 2 divided by 2n minus 1. And then for this one, we're going to have 2n minus 3 divided by 2n minus 1. And then we're going to go dot, dot, dot all the way to the end for this right here. So this would be 1 divided by 2n minus 1. All right, so that's our formula. So let's find the number of terms. Our number of terms is going to equal 13. You can either just look at your 25 and 1 and use your arithmetic sequence formula, or we already have this. We can just set 2n minus 1 equals 25. So 2n equals 24. Equals 26. So n equals 13. All right, so that means since our number of terms is 13, our 3 divided by 25 is n b sub 13. So basically this meant this was b sub 3. This is b sub 13. This is what I'm saying here. And this one right up here was b sub 12. All right. So now what we're trying to do is find the number of terms first from b sub 1 to b sub 12. So basically what I want to do is just find the number of terms here. All right. And then I'm going to add, once I do that, I'm going to add these, we have 25 terms here, right? So this term here is going to be the 23rd term. This would be the 24th term, and this would be the 25th. So I'm going to find the sum from b sub 1 to b sub 2, and then add 23 to it, because we have 23 terms to get to this, okay? So let's use this formula here. The sum is going to equal, so let's write it, it's going to be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus, let's see, dot, 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 plus 23, because we're going to the 23. So this is going to equal, we had our n is going to be 12. So we're going to have 12. Our first term is 1 plus 13, all divided by, plus 23, sorry, divided by 2. All right, because there's this number of terms here is 12. So this is going to equal 144. So that was from b sub 1 to b sub 12. 12. All right. So now we have to add that 23 extra terms that we have. So add the 23. So our 3 divided by 25 appears at the 167th term, because that's what this equals. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.